Hi, this is Janet from Bringing More Fun to Math class. I'm going to go over the digital activity I've created for solving simple equations. In this download, you are going to get a link that will lead you to this Google form, which is the scavenger hunt that your students will complete. And I've also included this PDF here of solving simple equations worksheet as a template as well. And there's also a solution key in the download too. So when your students are taken to this Google form, this is the first screen that they will see. Solving simple equations, please fill in the following information. They're going to enter in a valid email address, their first and their last name. Moving on to once they hit next, you will be taken to this page. So the instructions are out here. Solve the following equations using the methods taught in class. Click your answer below to move to the next equation. Copy the word beside the question number to correctly unscramble the words of wisdom. If done correctly, you will solve all 15 equations to reveal the words of wisdom. Note, you will be required to submit the words of wisdom and upload your full solutions using the methods taught in class. So here's our first equation here. Now you're going to notice that the first equation is the first equation on this template over here. 3 plus x equals negative 5. So students can use this template. They can print it out, fill it in as a guide, or they can do it on a separate line sheet of paper, whatever works best for you. So when they complete this question, 3 plus x equals 5. So I'll just show the work here. I would expect something like this. 3 minus 3 plus x equals negative 5 minus 3. Doing the same thing on both sides, we can solve that. X equals negative 8. So from my work that I've shown, I'm going to find my answer. All the answers are down here. And depending which version or how big your screens are, the letter that corresponds with the answer may be on top or maybe on the bottom. In my case here, the letters on the bottom of the picture with the answer on it. So I'm going to look for negative 8. Here's negative 8, so I click C. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, hit next, and then I'm taken to the next question. Now up at the top here where it says question, word of wisdom, it's the word I. So on the bottom of my sheet here, I'm going to write down for words of wisdom, I. I then can solve my next equation, negative 10 plus x equals negative 1. You'll find your answer and then click on, and it'll work. If they do the solutions correctly, they will be able to work through all 15 equations and have 15 words of wisdom for you. So the very last page, it says here, congratulations, you made it to the end. The last word of wisdom is Jefferson. So that would be the very last thing that they write down. Students are required to write out what the words of wisdom are in this sheet or in this spot here, and then send that back to you. And then this is the part here where it says, please upload pictures of your full solutions using the methods taught in class. If they're using the worksheet, they can take a picture of that, upload it, or if they're using pencil and paper, they can do that as well. So they'll add the file here, you submit, and then all is good. So this is solving simple equations. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram for updates and freebies. Thanks.